Hello, hi everyone. Uh, in my last video, as you saw, I took a trade from here in NZD because I thought it would be falling from here, but I knew it was my mistake and I got an SL. So I waited, and when there was a misses for above this level, I just entered on in between here. 15 minutes. Sorry. Yes, I entered around here, and as you see, it was a clear 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and I was in profit after this trade because I just lost 1 hour in last trade, and it was again going downwards and downwards. But never mind, I was just holding it there here as I got 1:2 2.5. Now it was good for me. And for other pair, I took a trade in USD JPY to be exact. Bias was clearly bullish for me. Uh, in 1 hour, if you see, it was market was just going downwards, and after this order block, it gave a change of character after hitting this, and after this change of character, it was just moving upwards. This last thing was my inducement point. After this was induced, I was still waiting. I was not available to take trade in this part, but later on I saw I would have taken a trade here usually. What is to do? It would have given me, but it would have taken a lot of time. But it was my good. I was not available at that time, so I waited when I saw the market. I just waited for this order block, and after this green candle, I just entered on the top, and I just took this. What is it? 2.3. I know. Yes, it was also good for me. And for future forecast, we can see EURUSD. As you can see, market clearly shifted from here. As you can see, it is clearly making a pattern to go towards downside. In 1 hour, you see these points are higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low. After this break of structure, it was again higher high, higher low, but it was in 15 minutes. I can later show you one. And after this tap to order block from daily time frame, it just broke this toward downside. So I'm not an expert, but according to me, as it was going towards upside, it break this change of character was done. Now we are waiting for any inducement like this point. Inducement point was not broken, so I did not enter here. So if this low is broken, then again for me the low point will be the same as of now. We'll see later on what happens throughout the week. And for other pairs, this is Euro GBP. You can see in daily time frame bias is clearly towards downside. Market tap in this daily order block and then started moving towards downside. You can see there was clear break of structure here. It went down. There was inducement. After inducement, yeah, I would have been entered in 15 minutes on the first red candle. After this red candle, yes, and stop loss slightly above swing, and I would have got this, but I did not analyze that before. So as of now, it is going towards downside. And yes, there is a clear break of structure. If market comes toward this inducement point, then go towards downside, I'll take a trade. As we come at GBPUSD in daily time frame, again kind of structure same like EURUSD, and it almost it is just under this point, and I'm hoping that it should move towards downside. When come in 1 hour time frame, we can see clear structure going towards upside, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then break of structure towards upside and then downside. So it would have been clearly structure shift, and if you can see, after breaking of structure, there was no point for inducement. So it's good for me, but no, I did not took a trade. But in the coming days, I can check in 15 minutes. If I get any clear structure for downside, I'll take a trade for it. And I guess for the last pair, Australian and Canadian dollar in the daily time frame. I'm not sure whether it is Australian. Oh yes, it is Australian Canadian dollar. Okay, great. After this break of structure in daily time frame, I'll go in 1 hour. The market was strictly going towards upside, and there was no inducement in between. I always take major inducement. I do not prefer small inducements like this. I'm not comfortable with it usually. So I just think that major inducements are more like confirming. I don't want to trade blatantly anywhere where I see something opportunity, like even if we go in 15 minutes. Like structure, break of structure here, and then inducement in here. On green candle, I go upwards, and then I would have put my stop loss. I'm not sure, somewhere below this, because this was the last low point, and how much would I have got? Da, da, da. Yes, I would have got 1:2, but this big red candle would have given me pain. Let's see, you trade that much in profit after 50%. I try to do it break even, because I do not want to lose a trade without even a cause, or I just exit a little quantity at 50%. But even for that, this big candle was a big no. So usually it would have worked, but no, I don't like major inducements. So as you can see, there is clearly break of structure, there's major inducement done, and now structure is still here. As soon as market breaks this high in 1 hour time frame, I'll look for opportunities to long this. I could have just traded like any green candle in here in 1 hour, but no, I just want clear structure shift for me. Even if in 15 minutes, yes, this is the major swing. It should be broken, and then only we should enter it. Yes. So I hope you like my content, or if you have any questions, just ask me. I'll be glad to help. Thank you. Bye.